Alright guys, and we're back. Welcome back to the channel. Yes, this is my second video in a row. So if you watched the first video, you saw my unboxing of a Japan crate box. And that was pretty cool, right? I liked that a lot. And the snacks were super yummy, as always. Oh my god, I can't wait to go to Japan. Take me to Japan. Please, someone! No, I'm just kidding. I do really want to go to Japan one day. One day. We'll get there. Yes, together. We'll get there. But I have another surprise unboxing for you guys. Same vein as the Japan crate. Let's get to it. So, guys, without further ado, I'm really excited for this. This is huge, guys. This is the Mega Japan crate from FYE. Again, an FYE exclusive. And I've failed to mention this the first time. This is not a sponsored video. I bought these because I thought they were fun and cool, and I really love just Japanese snacks in general. So, the first video was pretty awesome. We're gonna do this one a little bit more like this, so you guys can see what's in the box better. Okay. Trusty scissors. Hopefully everything will fall off the desk this time. Alright, so, again, this video is not sponsored, but this crate, I got it at FYE. I believe it's holiday exclusives only, but these big crates are $75. Yes, I know. It's a bit of a steep price point, but again, these make really great gifts if you know somebody that is into these kinds of things, because it is the holiday season and all. So, without further ado, the reveal. Oh my god. Bonus, if you're a box collector like I am, I like to collect boxes like these to store things in. This is a really good one. Okay, so let's get started. Alright, so, like in the first box, here's a voucher. Each one of them comes with a $10 voucher to get $10 off your first crate subscription. It comes with this little booklet, tells you what's in the box, and along with a bunch of nutritional information in English that correlates to it so that you can see what it all is. So, we're gonna use that as reference like I did in the last one. So let's just attack this, I guess. Ooh, I love me some spicy ramen, and this is perfect. I love spicy ramen so much. So this is the Sun Oishi spicy ramen. Again, this is video 2 of just learning and remembering how to speak in Japanese. Spicy ramen. Delicious. If you haven't had these, I think you can get them at a lot of grocery stores now. I know you can get the individual packaged ones in a lot of grocery stores now. They're personal favorites of mine and staples to keep around the house because they don't really have a short shelf life. You can have them for emergency foods. And they're really nice. I like spicy foods. Oh, there's another ramen in here. This one is Denshaga Kaitai Aru Soba. Oh, it's a soba bowl. Again, pardon my Japanese pronunciation if I'm anyone who's fluent. I'm trying. It's been a while. Soba noodle bowl. That would be interesting. You know, I've never made soba noodles, but I've always wanted to. I know there are some really good vegan restaurants that make some good soba noodles. I wanted to try it myself, but I've never... I think I tried once and I ruined the noodles. Whoops. Alright. Oh, goodness me. What are you? Oh, I've eaten these chips before. So this is a full-size bag, guys. This is crazy. Mochi taru salt. These simple, crisp, salt-flavored rice crackers are perfect as a small snack and go well with a soft drink. Snacks like mochi taru have remained popular among Japanese people since the Meiji period. Enjoy this mega pack yourself or share with friends and family. This is amazing! This will last forever! Oh my god. I feel like if I do ever get to Japan, in addition to having like one extra suitcase that's just empty, going in and coming out with just Japanese fun goodie stuff, it's gonna be another additional suitcase that's coming back with me just full of snacks. Korea too. Korea has a ton of stuff. I want to visit Korea sometime. Korea has so many cool foods and things to try. Ooh, these look spicy. What are you? So, mentakayo umaibo rings. So they're spicy. So, perfect for fans of cheese puffs, but who also like snacks with an umami taste. These snacks, spicy cod rod is the flavor. Provides a savory, light, salty flavor that's uniquely delicious. I will say so. I'm looking forward to these. I love spicy snacks. Okay, one of my favorite cheesy, like, crispy snacks in America is Flamin' Hot Cheetos. What does that say? And at Halloween time, for all my spooky fans, well, fellow spooky lovers, at Halloween time when they did the Flamin' Hot Cheetos skull and crossbones things, those didn't last very long in my house. I bought them though, and I loved every second of them. Your burn was so good. Alright, so here we have these little guys. It looks kind of like a little porridge pot character on the side. What are you? There you are. Corn pottage. Again, corn pottage. Is a soup that can even be found in vending machines in Japan. Around this time, enjoy this yummy, savory flavor and like delicious puffs. Oh my god. All the puff snacks that Japanese people have to enjoy are so wonderfully delicious, and I wish we had more of them in America. Like, why do I need to pay import prices to get these things? Seriously. In America. Ooh, stir-fry noodle. Yakisoba. Is this ready-made? Cooking sample. Is this no chilled storage required? This is heavy, guys. This is dense. This is yakisoba. Doesn't look fried noodles. Oh, you cook these. This isn't like a ready-to-eat snack. You cook these. This is a meal. And it comes with instructions on how to make it in English. On back, too. It's in English. Awesome. This is amazing. Oh my god, I'm gonna have so many like wonderful little meals. I mean, they're terrible for my diet at the moment, but I'm trying, guys. I'm trying. What are you? Are you a glow stick? Big neon pen. What? It's a giant highlighter. So in addition to Japan being famous for making things really small and cute, they're also pretty famous for making some really large, weird things. Like this giant highlighter. Apparently, it's one of them. It's kind of cool though. I don't think it's gonna fit in my little pen cup that I have over here. But, I'm gonna use it, that's for sure. I love highlighting stuff. That's pretty cool. Anyway, snacks. Back to the snacks. There's this Hello Kitty lollipop. It looks so cute and tiny. And you can feel it in the package. It's right here. It's super small. What flavor are you? You look like you might be strawberry flavor. Either that or you're a diamond flavor, and I don't think that would taste good. It doesn't say what flavor it is. It just says that it'll bring you a treat, which is nice. Oh, those Pop Rocks are in the last bunch are back again. Oh man, it's the same exact package and flavor of Pop Rocks. Oh my gosh. My boyfriend is gonna love these. Alright. And then we have a classic soda flavor, Raw Maroon. And again, this is the original Raw Maroon brand, which is amazing. I don't really care for knockoffs or anything. Alright, and then this is a different soda. I don't know what this is, guys. Other than crazy. There's like literally a girl bench pressing fire on the back. Oh, okay. Spin it around, Jess. Turn it around. Cola float. So, nice sweetness and fizzy refreshment. So, I guess that's what that is. Creamy cola soda. Tastes like an ice cream float. So maybe like a root beer float, or in this case a cola float. Alright, and then this, I think this is a DIY make your own little ice cream candy kit. Nope, it is not. Oh wait, yes it is. I was right. With this DIY kit, you'll be able to make soft serve ice cream in a unique foam candy form. Woo! Oh, it has little like instructions, but they're in kanji, so I don't know how that's gonna work out. We'll try. That might be a whole other video, is making Japanese candy kits, because that sounds like fun actually. And there's also some cute things in here. So this lanyard is super adorable with the little shark munching on the seal. But, you know, he looks like they're just cuddling in a way. And then the rest of the lanyard has the shark eating a seal burger. It's cute. It's kind of morbid, but it's really cute. Oh, look at this. This, like, plushy soft toy. Oh, you need to come out of the plastic. Oh my god, it's so cute. Guys, and look at his little butthole. Oh, it's so soft and squishy. Oh. Oh my god, I love pandas. Anyone that doesn't know, I have like panda slippers that look kind of like this. It's so cute. It's so cute. I'm not gonna rub my face on it because I don't want to ruin the white. But oh, it's so adorable. And then, what are you? 4-piece sponges. Are you like kitchen sponges? I've used kitchen sponges. I think this is the surprise gift. I think this is the surprise gift that is usually included inside. It says it's not edible. Let's see. Is it a kitchen sponge? Because that'd be great. I need more cute things in my life, because these are cute. I actually have a bunch of Post-it notes of this brand of character. Oh yeah, they're just kitchen sponges. So this is the rough side, and then this is the spongy side. Oh, that's cool. See, I love cute stuff like this. Why can't I just like live and be like super cute, but also spooky girl. Bye. Oh my god. So, this brings us to the next question at the end of this video, guys. Was it worth the $75 for this box? Because I'm not kidding. $75 for this box. Okay, so admittedly, it is a massive box, but I kind of feel like I got more out of the smaller one, to be honest. In terms of, like, quantity, I think this one, in terms of volume, definitely is a winner. But I'm not sure I would say it was $75 worth of volume. But, you know, live and learn. And it was fun unboxing it. I had a great time. I had no idea what was in any of this stuff, and I had just a good old time opening all of this. And, you know, like I said, in the last video, Japan Crate has a bunch of other boxes that they do with varying tiers of stuff. I might subscribe to Japan Crate again because I just really love Japanese snacks. They also have a ramen crate too. I found that out recently and I was like, whoa! It's just different types of ramen foods and whatnot, and I'm like, that is so cool. I don't eat ramen enough, but I definitely eat snacks all the time. In between, like, my little meals, or I'll just throw stuff in my purse if I need to, like, go somewhere and eat in my car or something. So, yeah. I don't know. So was it worth it for you guys? Let me know in the comments below, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye! Stay spooky and stay sweet! Love you!